Central enables businesses to request rides for customers, employees, and guests. With Central's easy-to-use dashboard, you can get control and visibility over rides that you arrange for others. To get started, log in at central.uber.com. Select Create New to begin requesting a ride. Then choose one-way or round trip. Next, add your rider's name and contact information. Then input the rider's pickup and drop-off locations. You can request the ride for now or schedule it for later. You can also offer a flexible ride, which will give riders the ability to choose the time of the ride and request it when they're ready. Just like in the Uber app, you can choose among ride options such as UberX and Uber Black. You can also add an internal memo and expense code, which can be tracked through reporting on your admin dashboard. Riders will be notified by text and can view trip details there. They'll also receive a link to track the ride in real time. If riders have the Uber app, they can track their trip and message drivers directly in the app. As a coordinator, you can track requested rides in real time from the In Progress tab on your central dashboard. You can also contact the driver directly by phone or chat, or use the Request Support button to contact Uber if you need help. Support agents are always there to assist around the clock. And if the rider has a sudden change of plans, you can even change their destination mid-trip. After a ride is complete, you can review details like trip fare, total time, and more by expanding on a trip on your dashboard. In addition, you can rebook the same trip or report any lost items. Now you're all set and ready to deliver simple ride solutions. Go to central.uber.com to start now.